Okay, so this quick video today just to show you how to fit the new Go Tubeless Kit from Exceed Innovation. In the box you'll have the following parts. You're going to have the pole kit, you're going to have the base cap for the pole, hose stay, and you're going to have the hose reel kit. So the first thing we need to do is we connect these two pieces together for the pole kit. Just remove the base cap from your pole. So we're going to slide that straight through the base and you'll see that come out the other end. When you've got this end, take your hose stay and just lock it off with the locking clip. Now the next thing you want to do is just take a pair of hose cutters and you want to cut this piece of hose just down to size so it can go straight into the push fit of the brush head. Last thing we're going to do is we're just going to take the base cap and we're going to slide it over the end of the hose and we can just fit it into place on the pole just like that. So the last thing we need to do with the hose reel kit is put the female slit connector on the end of the hose reel, connect them up and we're ready to go. Okay, so that's the Go Tubeless Kit fitted to the pole. If you want to see how to use it with a univalve, you can check out another video we've done on how to fit a univalve.